Good morning, good morning. All right. Market's open. We're dropping. I'm going to get on TikTok in a second. I just want to make sure all my stuff is set up because I had to do a full reset a few minutes ago. There were no... Hey, Charlie. You are first. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. There are no NQ night or ES night trades. We have discussed that in chat, so if you're not sure. Also, I'm going to put it in the settings spreadsheet that says no trades for those two under the results tab. What was Santa yesterday? I don't know. I thought Jen put that in. My tea is super cold now because why does my YM zones look like this? All right, I'm not gonna worry about it. All right, good morning. It's Tuesday, October 17th. My charts were looking so funky this morning. I don't know why. So I had to do a little finagling and fix them. I did that, so we're good now. But I don't know what happened. Maybe it was just like a data thing. YM Bold Chop is in the middle of its area. ES. We'll see if we can move back up. We'll see. Where? And then I'm not sure. Just keep practicing. I know sometimes it's like hard, but you just gotta go through lots of charts and keep plugging. Hey, good morning, good morning. Hey, Blaze. Thank you for saying good morning. Hey, Whitney. How are you? I'm gonna get on TikTok in a second. I'm just, TikTok's been kind of picky lately. And so, oof. Look at this move. So I'm just not rushing. Plus, I was setting up like 75 different things. Okay, well, so one of those are going to be right. Maybe for reset again. All right, he has one that works. That's good. Charlie, you didn't agree to all my messages. I'm not sure when these hooks are going to come in. Okay, perfect. Okay, thanks, Jen. All right, let me get on TikTok because we're probably going to get some trades shortly. All these ads on whatever this is called. TikTok. Alright, I'm going live on BoldBot Girl. I'm gonna shut that door. Alright, I'm on TikTok if you guys want to also join me over there. Jen, if you want to...
Target filled.
Oh, that was one of those ones where you don't even hear the entry. Target filled immediately. Oh, that was RTY. I think some people are running it all the time because RTY's just been so good.
Target filled.
All right. Is that ES or NQ? Let's see. NQ hit target. ES is still in a trade, but today's Tuesday, so we don't run NQ anyway. ES is actually in a long. So we'll see about that. We will see about that. I wouldn't mind it as far as the student play goes. Hey, Jeremy, what's up? But, you know, we had a pretty large drop here. Seems like the NASDAQ wants to keep pulling down, but ES wants to move back up. So we'll have to see. We will have to see what happens. Good morning, good morning. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day. I need to share this because ES is all red. I need to turn that off and decline, and then I need to share. Okay, hold on. It is 9:36 on Tuesday, October 17th. ES is moving back up. ES is best when I don't watch her, so I kind of just let her do her thing. And then when she hits, then we celebrate because that's kind of how it is. She's kind of shy. She doesn't want a lot of attention. Okay, so we're just gonna give her her time. It's okay. Okay, reset. Yeah, that's so weird. There was some weird stuff on my charts today, like really, really weird. All right, ES is almost back to entry here. Good morning, good morning. James, how are you? How are you, James? ES is back to entry. Let's see if we can get a move up here and hit that target. Again, I should just like leave it somewhere else. But RTY also, look at this RTY. It hit target. It pulled back and then ran. RTY's still been solid. That's why I was going to run it yesterday. I think it was, what, 1 for 1, and now it's 1 for 1 today. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to put this in announcements, too. Please give a thumbs up if you're new here. My name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 on both TikTok and YouTube. And then Jen, one of my users, goes live at 2 p.m. every day. Charlie, actually wasn't weird. It's very normal. RTY hit target before order submitted. We love those. So no night trades. NQ 1 for 1, but we don't run on Tuesdays. ES in a long right now. RTY was in a long. It hit target already. Yep, you should come back, James. I don't know. We miss you. We're having a lot of fun over here, and it's Q4, which is the best quarter of the entire year. And the student call is about to play out. Can't wait to get that trade. I'm going to be ready today. I'm not going to be distracted. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. There are 33 of you in YouTube and only 18 likes. That's all I ask is that you hit the thumbs up, please. Each and every day. We can do it, Jen. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. ES is back to entry. Gotta get that push. Wrong one. I can't believe we have multiple Charlies in the group. What was that? I don't know what that was.
Target filled.
Target filled on ES. Who said that trade was weird? Charlie, who said that trade was weird? Yeah, the trade wasn't odd. It was spot on. Good morning, Shaw. Listen, the algo knows what it's doing. Now, where are my students at? My students at? Let's go. So NQ night, ES night, no trades. NQ early, 1 trade, 1 for 1. ES early, 1 for 1. RTY, 1 for 1, and just running. Do you see RTY here? Fire. Jen, we need to share. Jen, can you do the share thing on yours where you click those people in the circle? If you push the share arrow, and then it only lets you do like 15 at a time. But it typically helps. Because I don't know. Well, Jen's going to be going live at a different time today. So make sure you have that bell icon turned on so you can get notified when she's live. It's not going to be her normal time. Obviously, if you're in the group, she will post the link in the group. We need some... Charlie said, thank you, baby Jesus. Enough with the baby Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God. Baby Jesus. Yeah, it's the 1 for 1. We need some apples in the chat. There's no one. I don't know. Y'all have been so quiet in chat lately. You're just making money and don't want to hang out anymore. We see how it is. We see. You know, I've never done an apple. Listen, since I was in there, it's not gonna be an issue anyway, but I just look at the apple gif I just posted. The other one was like, what's that really big guy? He's like, I don't know if he's a wrestler or something. Is this RTY range? Yes, this is RTY range on the screen right now, Gregory. And that's in the sheet. I used to run it every single day, and it made a bunch of money. Then we did some more digging, and we saw what the best day of the week was. But it seems that in Q4, it just wants to cash out every single day. Ooh, I'm not against taking a short in gold here. I need to pull up my other VPS. Hold on. Are there any pink trades so far? Nope, no trades so far over there. Ooh, I might take an oil long. Yes.
Order filled.
I'm long oil at 87.07. Ooh, already at 12. There we go. Up $50. Why is nothing showing over here? Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. There is such a weird, like, I might need to actually close this one out too, this VPS, and go back in. Karen's like, all of the darkness, I'm here for it. You know, I always say this when I'm on the call. Oh, I was thinking of something funny to talk about today, and now I can't remember what it was. What was it? I don't know. I'll think about it. All right, well, my oil's pulling back a bit, but I'm going to stay with it. I might even add one. I just added one. Let's see if we can pull back out here. Get back up to that 87.12. Already back up to 87.05. There we go. 87.06. I put my one sell at 15 and the other one's at like 30 on oil. TikTok looks like I freeze my phone, but I finally made it here. Oh, very good, very good. So glad you made it here. Where are we at with NQ? Very, very far away, which is why I'm trading oil right now. Where's Whitney? Whitney, are you in this long? It went right to 87. It keeps going up to the 87, like 06, 87, 07. It's a little dicey. We got to get above that. Go back to like 15. Hi, Big Rod. How are you? Yeah, I've been looking at a replacement on GC. Yeah, no, that's definitely a good one. No, the bot trial does not include student calls because the student calls are for only students. And the bot program is not a student program. There are two programs. And you can have both, or you can just have one or the other. The student mentorship is where I teach you how to manually trade. That includes the student calls. Ooh, look at this drop. That includes the It includes the student calls. It includes the manual alerts. It includes the chop zone, which is this every day. It includes the LIS, which is this. It includes the videos. It includes the student chat. But none of that is included with the trial of the algorithm. The algorithm is just that. It's a fully automated algorithm that trades for you. So you have to do no thinking, no technical analysis, no breakdown of charts, none of that. Does that make sense? So they're two totally separate products. Some people will start off and say, I don't have time to manually trade, so I want to use the bot. And I said, okay, that sounds good. Other people will say, I really want to learn how to manually trade, and I have time to do so. So then they do that. Some people will get the bot first, and then with their profits, they buy the mentorship because they realize how well the mentorship can elevate their trading to the next level. Does that make sense, Shaw? So I'm green $125 on the day, just off of that one ES trade, no NQ. I'm also green $70 now on this oil long. Let's see if we can get back up to 12 or 15. I have my one sell at 15. We got to stay above this 6-7 area. All right, we're at 9. Let's push oil. Push, push. BoldBot works too. I'm a student. I love working with Lauren. Excellent teacher. Yeah, they both work. It just depends if you have a preference or a time restraint. That's the biggest thing. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. If you can't see it, minimize the chat or hold your phone up and down, and then you'll be able to see the thumbs up. If you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. Again, I go live every day for y'all, so you guys can see the product and more kind of a bit more of a breakdown and get a feel for the bot, and if you like how it works, also just to get to know me better and to, you know, hear things that I discuss. I'm green 110 on this oil long. 170, about to hit this first target at 15.
Target filled.
All right, target hit on that. This is on my PA account that has $54,000. So all of this is actual cash that I could withdraw on the next withdrawal. Once I have 10 trading days minimum, which will be by Friday of this week. If you don't know about Apex, please check them out. Go to their website, apextraderfunding.com. They are awesome.
Stop filled.
All right, I moved my trail up to that 7 and it hit. So total, I made $110 on that trade. That's fine. I had to average in. Ooh, that gold move though. I thought it was going to stay under and it just like rocketed up. We had a huge trade yesterday. This is a premium exclusive. I can show you guys. So it's going to be available to standard algo members soon, but it's not yet. And Jen showed this on her live stream yesterday. Let me show you guys. So this is it. And oh shoot. Well, whatever, that's fine too. So this is, if I go too high, it will stretch it out. This was the trade yesterday. It got long here around 1:30, and then it ran up and it exited around 2 p.m. and it made $1,100 on one mini, and that's on NQ. It went as high as 1,300, but then obviously it pulled back and it trailed out. All right. I also made a new plan. Oh, people are already posting the results. I already made a new plan for my premium setups, which I'm really excited about. A few of my students were trading overnight. They have insomnia or something. This was Larry last night at 9 p.m. Thank you, Mike. I'm going to pin that. This is Larry last night. This is Paper Chaser. You can see if it says PA, that's a performance account or a funded account. The Apex ones are evaluations. Beast, let's go. Turbo Tuesday. This was 8:26 a.m. He had already made, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like $12,000, $13,000. Dana, love the GC DeFi recovery after the report. Nice job, Dana. William, smooth, got my PA to withdraw. Got to get my Vegas money. Yes. Remember, there's only 8 spots left for the Vegas workshop. So the workshop is an intensive 2-day meetup in Vegas where I'm covering your hotel, I'm covering your breakfast and lunch on the days of the workshop, and we're probably going to have a student-only meetup. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be in Vegas May of next year, so you have time to take off of work, tell your boss, tell your wife, let your kids know. And Brian, 2 trades and done. He made $600 across all of his accounts. Are those trades you're showing are paper trading? No, they're not. They're all live trades. If I have something on simulation, which I often do, I specify that, Leand. But these, what I'm showing you right now, are my members' accounts. Like these are Williams' accounts on Apex. The PAs are the funded accounts. The Apex are the evaluations. Brian, these are all evaluations, but he made $600 on each of those. Michael, mentorship is golden, just like Lauren, $500 across most of his accounts. So, yeah, so Vegas is going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to meet everyone. We're going to have a lot of interesting speakers. I'm excited. I have one that's a kind of special that I'm not divulging until we get there, but it's exciting. So this is Kyle Swag 2 and done. He took, oops, I don't know why I downloaded that. He took 2 trades. He's probably babying these to pass evaluation, and then these he made $1,000 on. Nice job, Kyle. All right, let me move this out of the way and I can show you the charts. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. Sounds like bot will be a first choice. Okay, so yeah, Shah, you should get on that because it's Q4, and Q4 is the best. Q4 is already 2 weeks in. 3 weeks in. We're already 2.5 weeks in. And earnings start this week. Q4 is always, always, always the best quarter. It's just proven. I don't know, there's nothing else I can really say. It's just the best quarter of the entire year. Oil did go back up to 17, but it's pulling back down to 87.0 now. I wonder if I should take this trade again.
Order submitted.
I'm going to put an order in at 87.
Order filled.
All right, I got filled on the oil long again. So yeah, Q4 is the best quarter. That's why if you're thinking about joining the bot, you probably shouldn't hesitate. There's a 71% sale on Apex right now if you use the code SAVE71. It's not as good as 80 or 90%, but it's something. I don't think they'll do another sale probably until, I don't know, Thanksgiving, maybe Halloween, I don't know. The bot is $500 for the first 21 days and then $1,000 every month after that. I'm green $40 on this oil long, $50 on this oil long. If you have any questions, please put them in chat. Earnings start this week. We're super excited about that. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Down Bad Trader posted his results, speaking of 71, $771 on all of his accounts. He's using either the Replicento or the Apex Copy Trader. And with that, you can just choose one account and you set up the strategies on one account for the algorithm, and then it will copy trade against all of them. Brian's correcting me, but if he wanted to, then he should have just posted a picture with the correct information. All right, R2Y, 1 trade. NQ early, 1 trade. ES early, 1 trade. Everything is green so far today, even if it was a day off for the product. Karan had to work 23 minutes for this. Hard day in the office. Mentorship is king. We do love a mentorship. And the students started their own chat last night in the student chat. Like, I try to keep the student chat real technical. The fact that you just didn't dump right away hooked us up with extra trade on early. Exactly. But remember, there should only be one Charlie. So if you're getting more than one, then your settings are wrong and you're playing with fire. So just be careful. Green. Oh, my oil is back to like even. 2 ticks under. We'll see if it can move back up. It had the image from before. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. My sister just sent me something really funny. So this was a level we talked about on the student call. It went there before we could get to play, but that's okay. Heath making bank, bro. Thanks, Lauren. You're welcome, Heath. The thing is, the people in my group, and this is like the part that it's hard for people to conceptualize. Once you get to a point, like let me pull up Tony, because Tony's a really good example every day. Yeah, that's why. That's why, Charlie. Obviously, some people, because it used to be 2 or 3. Hold on, I want to show you Charlie. I want to show you Tony, because I feel like he's the best example, because he always shows the PA or the Apex part of his accounts. Michael, Moonshine, Laura, Kevin, Jason. Where the hell is Tony? Here he is, Tony. Oh, he did? He just posted. Well, this was yesterday. So Tony has 15 funded accounts. You see how it says PA on the left? That means performance account. Also, let me check on my oil trade. My oil trade is still at even. These are all funded accounts, fully funded accounts. He's passed evaluation with NinjaTrader. He's built a cushion. He passed evaluation with Apex. He's built a cushion. And now all of this, every single day that he makes money, is his money legally. He can withdraw it twice per month, and you can withdraw for the first 3 months. You can withdraw $2,000 per account per withdrawal. So each of these accounts, he can withdraw $2,000 per month. Per withdrawal, so twice per month. So essentially $4,000 per month per account. But he has 15 accounts. So this is where it really kind of just goes crazy, because I understand if you have one account, say you have a cash account for $3,000 and you make $50 a day, that's not going to seem like much. But if you have 10 or 15 accounts making $750 that you didn't have to risk any cash on, he bought these each for $17 or $34. It depends which sale was happening. On a 90% sale, he could have gotten this account for $17. On an 80% sale, it's $34. So yesterday he made $11,250 on just these accounts. 15 accounts, a few trades, and he was done at 9:43 a.m. Do you see that? Which one is the safest? That's all discussed in the group. Most people, here he goes. He posted again. Every single day he makes anywhere from $300 to like $700, $800 on 15 accounts. Multiply it by 15. Every day I show you Tony's accounts. Just multiply the total by 15, and that's what he's made for the day. So pastime, so we have so many different strategies to run, but all of the risk and kind of setups are talked about once you join the group. Also, if you are talking about which Apex account to choose, then your Apex account, you would just go to Apex, go to sign up. It takes you to the bottom. These are your choices. Right now they're doing a 71% sale, so you would just do SAVE71 is the coupon code for whatever option you pick. Most of my members do the 50,000. Some do a little higher. Some will throw in a 25K. I really like the $50,000 account. Ricky, it's already been a great day. ES is 1 for 1, and Q is 1 for 1, even though we don't run it today. And RTY is also 1 for 1. No overnight trades. So most people will get the $50,000 account, and then they just buy 10 to 20 of them. You can have up to 20 accounts, 20 PA accounts. So that means you can have even more evaluation accounts. Charlie is typing now, and Charlie's in the chat on both TikTok and YouTube, I believe. Well, he's definitely on YouTube. I saw him over there. So almost like you know what you're doing. Right? Just a little bit, Charlie. Just a little bit. But yeah, So you can have, I'm only on day 4, might have some funded on Friday. See? Today's his 4th day, and these are his totals from his account so far. Insane. Oh, where did it go, Charlie? Oh, Charlie. Charlie. He said I sent the wrong pic. Well, all right. We'll wait for Charlie's updated picture. Maybe he took another trade and then he had another one. So day 4 for Charlie, and he might be funded by Friday. So good for him, and he should be, because it only, on those $50,000 accounts, you only have to make $3,000, which you could easily do within 6 trading days if you're running just the standard setups with 1 to 2 minis, which is what I do. Yesterday I made $400, the smallest sizing. The day before, I think I made 200, 300. I don't even know. Oil's back to entry. All right, well, I guess Charlie's going to repost when he takes a correct picture. Coupon code trade. No. No. No, thank you. Someone's trying to get their coupon code in there. No, thank you. We will just use the regular one. If anyone in my group wants to use a coupon code, that's fine. We're not using someone's coupon code from the public. He said, I don't know. The connection? Connection. What? I didn't mean to go to our personal conversation. Oh, that's the connection name? Well, you can have it show the account name instead of the connection name. Last pick was yesterday. This is today. All right. Nice job, Charlie. Very, very good. Hi, Kevin. So no other trades yet. We're kind of just hanging out. This is a level I mentioned to my students. Sad that we didn't get the pullback for the long, but it is what it is. I mean the pullback for the short, but I think I said long because I was looking at my oil trade still. Kind of a slow morning. There was a 10 o'clock report? It's 10:02 now. Let's see what happens here as the market wants to continue. I have a doctor's appointment at 1, but nothing else really going on today. What was I thinking about doing? Mike posted, Mike, I don't know if, Mike, did your YM or your ZB trade today? We will see. We will definitely see, Charlie. The Astros win last night. So what is it, 1-1 now? I really wanted the Rangers. You and that mechanical keyboard. Oh, I love it. You know, I bought it on purpose, Charlie. So when I first started doing this in 2020, I was like, I want a clicky keyboard. So I ordered one on Amazon, and people hate it. Oh, ZB hit? Nice. ZB has been doing really well. I really need to put it back on the range sheet. You should start an ASMR. I know people say that too, but I don't have time. I don't have time for that shit. ZB hit. Nice, Mike. Very nice. Really kind of just slow action here. A slow Tuesday. It is 10:05 on Tuesday, October 17th. If you have any questions or you want more information about the algorithm or about the mentorship, just email me. That's the easiest way to get in touch. We don't respond to DMs, so if you're DMing us on TikTok, we will never see it. I apologize, but it's just easiest for people to email because the discounted link for the algorithm is only available via email. So you have to email us anyway, so you might as well just start there. You know what I mean? Might as well. A little bouncy bounce here. Where are we at? Let's see if we get back up to that level. Yeah, why wouldn't I have control over my money? I don't really know what that means. I built the algorithms. I have control over my money. Anyone using the algorithm has control over their money. I can't see your account. I want no access to anyone's account, nor do I have any access. How many weeks is your mentorship? It's not weeks. It's 16 hours worth of videos. So you can watch those 16 hours when it's convenient for you. I'm about to get tagged in this. When it's convenient for you, you watch the 16 hours worth of footage, and then you decide from there, obviously, like, when it's easiest for you. And, ooh, let's move back up here. Hold on, I need to get in something. Yeah, so it's 16 hours, so you can watch them as quickly as you want, or if it takes you longer because, you know, you're busy and you work and family, whatever, but you have access to those videos for life, for your entire life. So you can watch them as many times as you want, as long as you want, and then you get access to the student group in Slack, where we have chat, we have, excuse me, manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., I give you the chop zone, which is this proprietary zone up here, that gray box. $300 on this short. Ooh, $400 on this short. See, if you wait, if you're patient enough, it will come. So, yeah, I hope that answers your question. And my oil is back to even. Forever. But the access to the student call in every morning, the access to the manual alerts, access to the chop zone and the student chat is not forever. You get it for 1 month. And then after that, it's a monthly subscription. And that's all on my website too. But if you email me, I can give you that information as well. Oil is now back in the green above that 87 price. That 87.06 is so freaking hard. So this is a level. We'll see if it wants to respect it or reject it. Let's see. Oh, pink's in a trade. All right, I'm gonna. Ooh, $255. Hold on, I'm trying to. I have two manual trades happening, and then I also have, no, I have 3 manual, because then I have oil. And my oils was doing so well. I kind of wanted to just take a small profit on it because it's having a hard time up here at this 87.06. I watch those videos constantly and learn something new every day. Oh, very good. Very good. I don't know if I... All right, so let's see. Pink is in a $300 long. A $200 long. Let me bring it over here so you guys can see it. I didn't. I like to keep it small, but it's not really liking that. Man, you should know what I'm in manually though. This was a zone I created, or maybe it was a gap. It was something I created last week, and it's proven to be really nice. Santa's in a $600 long. I did not have Santa running. Oil and live cattle on waves are also in trades. Nice. Nice, Irma. Let me see those charts.
Order submitted.
Nice, nice, nice. $300 on this run up. Jonathan passed eval number 5. ES was 2 for 2 on Sim. Thanks to BoldBot. I have 2 accounts needing $22 and $13 respectively. Don't overtrade. Trust the data and the bot. Yes. Very nice. So this is kind of exactly like still running the original, but if the trade goes right. Yeah. $620 on this long. This is one mini on, we call this one Pink. Pink is its nickname. Again, if you want more information on the algorithm, away from beginning, no. No, it's way too far away. Yes, oil is on a December contract now. But actually, my other VPS I didn't reset, so that one might still be on November. That's okay. I'll look at it later, LP. And nobody's lost, LP. Nobody's actually lost. I think everybody's actually pretty clear. No, I said no one's lost for you. What do you mean? What's the difference with what? Mike is always breaking rules. Don't follow Mike. Mike, stop. Because you're gonna, especially people like Charlie who are apt to gamble, you're gonna have him change his settings, and that's not the right thing to do. He's about to pass all of his evaluations. We don't need people influencing others, especially new people, to do things wrong. Between the dates on the contracts, would it have any effect? Yes. Yeah, price is totally different when you're on different contracts. That is a thing. Oh, the Astros lost. Oh, wait, LP. So you mean to say that it's 2-0 for the Rangers? Where the fuck is Brian? Hey, Brian, suck it. Astros lost 2 in a row? Really? You've been so quiet. And now he's going to say, well, I don't really care about baseball. I just care about hockey. That's what he says when his team loses. But when my team loses, he gives it to me so bad. Oh, the Orioles suck. Oh, the Orioles can't win. The Astros can't win. Fuck off. $640 on this long. So assuming December would be more expensive. No, it has nothing to do with expensive. It has everything to do with where they think the future price of the product is going to be. Yeah. But it's always going to be different. That's why we typically see what looks like a gap, but it's not. Oh, nice, Jen. That's a beautiful picture. Beautiful picture. I was going to say the same thing.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Target filled on something. Target filled. Target filled. Hold on, what was that? NQ hit the second, but you know that's not really something we actually care about today. And that's where you can't be, so guaranteed green on this long now. You can't be results oriented when it comes to stuff like this. And this is what I'm trying to tell somebody like Charlie. $900 on this pink long. You can't be results oriented, because if you are, then you're just going to screw yourself. And that's a huge sign of like not having self-control. So if we say, just for example, RTY is a no on Tuesdays, but then RTY has a win today, and you're like, oh, I'm going to start turning RTY on every Tuesday. Like, there's a reason why we have the data that we have. So it's important to not go against that. Or I'm not watching your video or anything. Thanks, Irma. Well, the point is, we shouldn't be doing things. No, but it's so easy, Charlie, because again, I've been doing this for several years, and you've joined last week. I know how people like think and act, and I've had so many people in my group. You joined and you hit the streets running like YOLO, and that is a clear like red flag to me that I need to be careful with that person. I don't know if it's my alter ego. It's just my business. I don't know what that means. The point is, I want to keep you guys as safe as possible. I have no control over your account, right? And I don't want it. I don't have any control over what you actually do on a day-to-day basis. But the suggestions that we make are only for your best interest. It's only so you can pass evaluation, so you can create the cushion on the funded account. If I didn't say anything, you know what people would do? As soon as they had money in their funded account, they would withdraw all of it. And then you would bust the PA account the very next day because you would have no cushion. But I'm not in the business of, number one, sugarcoating things. I'm not in the business of people pleasing. I'm in the business of having a successful business. And if I want to have a successful business, you guys have to succeed, which is a win-win. You guys win, I win. If you don't win, I don't win. So it's my best interest to remind you guys to not YOLO, to not run things on days that they shouldn't be ran. Like, it's in my best interest. So, Charlie, when I say I assume you're a gambler or someone that's willing to take a lot of risk, I think it's actually accurate, because no one in day 3 should be making $1,000 per account. There's no way that would be possible. But you're posting that because you're taking larger sizing and you're manually trading when you haven't even taken the mentorship. So don't get mad because I'm calling out facts. I'm just keeping it real that I don't want other members who are veterans like Mike. Mike has been with me since, 2020, 2021. I don't want other veteran members influencing new members to do things they shouldn't be doing. So I'm really more so mad at Mike than I am mad at you, Charlie. But also, Charlie, you need to pull the reins back. William said he's going to be heartbroken when the market humbles him. Yeah. People come into futures and they think it's so easy. So easy. Okay. ZB is also in a long, green, $31. It's not. Value of the customer is the single most important aspect in any business. This is good that you protect your customers. Thank you, Dan. Well, Charlie, that was good. The point is, I care about you guys, and I hope that comes across. And I really think it does, because a lot of my members say it does. The point is, I want to be successful. I want you guys to be successful. They go hand in hand. It's not one or the other. Mike is saying he ran ES with the 2 setups in Sim. Thank you, Mike, for explaining that. Also, Jonathan did the same thing, which is fine. Jonathan ran 2 setups, but it was in Sim. $850 on NQ Pink here. Yeah, she wants to see because it helps her business. Yeah, But that's true. So Charlie, do you not like that? Like, sometimes Charlie, you're always like, I'm just giving you shit, but I don't know. I can't read the room that well. So yes, why would I not want a successful business? I don't have members if you guys don't win. I have 300 members, so clearly people are winning. Now, do people come and go? Absolutely. I probably have a swinging, rotating door of 30 people per month that come and go. Because you know why? Those people that lose or don't do well, okay, the people that lose or don't do well, they don't listen. Those are people that come in, they think they know more than me, they think they know more than Irma, and they don't listen, and they run 10 contracts on a setup, they run 5 contracts on a setup, and it becomes just like a whole mess. Oh, okay, well that makes sense, Charlie, that you're using 250K accounts. So, Lauren and Baby T for life, for sure. I'm off my soapbox now. Yeah, you've been trading options for 10 years. You've never traded futures since 4 days ago. They are 2 totally different things. But I understand that if you understand technical analysis, you can make some executive trades. I'm just saying, people that come in all like muscled up, like I know better, I know what I'm doing, they typically fall on their face. And I don't want to see that happen. So just putting that out there, but do what you want to do. And we'll just leave it at that. Pink is in this long still. The people who come to educate the mentor eventually meet the markets. Right? Like, I don't ever get on here saying I can teach you about options. Because options are a totally different game. There's delta, theta, whatever. All of that shit. I don't know about options. I've traded options, but I could never tell you that I could help you trade options. And I never would. My specialty is futures, and that's what I teach, and that's what I create my bots in. And I'm very humbled to any other market. But I know my shit when it comes to futures. So, that's it. $1,400. This is what we wanted at the open, okay? This is what my students were waiting for. Is it ready yet? Where are we at? Oh shoot, I can't click over because here we are. We're at 200. Oh, where are my students? Where are my students? Already 10 points. YouTube is just always slowly delayed. I just said that I'm not trading anymore, and here comes What was that? And see, this goes back to what happened a few weeks ago where pink ran to a spot. Like, I would have easily trailed this up to like 95, 99, and I would have been out of this trade already. Because the trail stop is all the way down here. Could it continue moving up to, say, 15,220 or 225 or whatever? For sure. But I know that this 15,200 is a strong level, so why would I not just take my money off the table here for $1,400 on one mini? All right, more folks are posting in the group. Look at Mike. Little buffer cushion accounts, I'm assuming, and then $500 to $700 on all of these accounts. Nice job, Mike. Jonathan passed eval number 5. ES was 2 for 2 on Sim. Thanks, BoldBot. Have 2 accounts needing $22 and $13 respectfully. Very nice. And do we see that bounce was exactly off of a level that I have here that I told my students about? Do you see this level? That's a level that I told my students about this morning on the student call. Yes, yes. Very nice. See this? 15,069. Y'all, there's already 12 points on this drop. Nice job. Foxy already hit TP1 and TP2. Nice. Hit TP1 and then my auto break even. Nice job, Derek. Caught it just low. Nice job, Nick. And this is why the offsets really help, because it's just going to keep you in the trade, or you're going to be in the trade, but then you're also going to have some safety. Nice job, Jimmy. Got the trade. This was the student play. So what time is it? 10:30. It took an hour for the student play to essentially come to fruition, but it panned out. And when it panned out, you take the trade. Larry took the trade. Nice job. Adrian got some. Laura got some. Nice job, guys. 22 points on the short that my students took. So at what point do you take profits? It takes profits for us. So the auto trading algorithm trades for us. This will take profit when it comes back and it hits the trail stop. This thin line is the trail. This actually belongs here. But the point is, if you're a student of mine and you're running the algorithms, you would have taken profit up here at 200 because I had already said that was where we were taking a short. We took a short at 200 and it already made 27 points in profit. So if I'm in this long off of the algorithm and I'm actively sitting here, you don't have to actively be sitting at your computer. But if you're actively at your computer because you're a student of mine, you might as well take profit on the algorithm when it was green $1,400 instead of waiting for it to pull back. And then obviously we're in that short anyway. Nice. Jared in and out for a cool 500. Nice job, Jared. You'll get the hang of it, Nick. Don't be hard on yourself. He still made money. He made $140, but he's like, I should have gotten in sooner. All right, down bad trader. Took the short off of the student call as I was heading out. He said, I may be late to work, but at least I'm profitable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $16,000 on the day for down bad trader. This kid, when I say kid, he's really young. He is in California, not to put all your information out there, down bad. He's in California, and I think he's like 24. He might be the youngest person in my group, and he kills the market.
Order submitted.
There's definitely something to be said for people that have no fear. Oh, Bold Waves is in a long on NQ, green $90 here. There's definitely something to be said for people that come in with no fear and they just kind of, and it's not necessarily YOLO, but they're just like, you know what, I'm going to do this, and if I bust the accounts, it's fine, I'll just get more. And he's just been doing really well. William said F the job. All right, so we're still in the long on pink. You can see we're still in this trade. It didn't come back and hit the trail, which is that thin green line. And now NQ Waves is in a long, so this may propel this trade even higher, which, again, if you got out for $1,400 at 200, I don't think anybody would be mad. That was with one contract. Yeah, the oil one is brand new, Jen. No hesitation, Nick. We got you. Trust the bot and the education, for sure. This 200 is tough. Even if it gets above 200, maybe it's only going to go to like 225. We'll have to see. My foot's falling asleep, and I should stop sitting on this foot anyway. It's the ankle that I broke twice, and then I'll be like, oh, my ankle's sore, and then I'm like wondering why it's sore. Oh, maybe I was going to talk about, you know, we were talking about insomnia before. Maybe I was going to talk about my sleepwalking. So I walk in my sleep, or like all the time. I guess that's what it's called, right? I walk in my sleep all of the time. I was telling Irma about this not too long ago, and she's like, what? Yeah. So anyway, I wake up a lot, and that's why I feel like I don't get a lot of restful sleep, because I'm just always like unconsciously, consciously awake. I didn't change anything last night, so I'm probably who's wrong. You fuckers. Anyway, today's not Wednesday, no. My brother's birthday's tomorrow, and he just texted me, so I was afraid I missed his birthday. Like in Step Brothers? Yeah, but I don't do anything. I don't think I do anything crazy. I'll just wake up and like run. That kind of sounds crazy now saying it like that. I'll wake up. Yes, every weekend. Every freaking weekend. I say this. And y'all just ignore me. So I wake up and I'll like run to the door. Or I'll get up and I'll do random things. Like my phone. So my phone is always like by my bedside. This morning my phone was in the kitchen. And I was like, what? How did this get here? And I'll just like remember things. I don't know. Sometimes I think I'm like missing something. I'll start pulling like socks out of the drawer, underwear, like I need to get dressed. And then I'll come out of the like whatever it is, like the sleepwalk, and I'll be like, what am I doing? I'm like, it's like pitch black. It's like 4 a.m. I'm like, I need to go to sleep. Which website you have up? So no, you don't have to manually move it up, Nathan. This is Scalper, but you can if you want to, but you don't have to, because there's a trail that automatically exit you from the trade. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. We only trade futures. So anyway, I think this morning when I saw that, I was kind of like, la-di-da. Sometimes I think I should go see a hypnotherapist. But then I've heard really creepy, weird things about people that put you under, so then I'm afraid to do that. Then I'll just have more trauma. Yeah, I didn't want to say that sounds crazy, right? All right, so NQ on Scalper is still in this long from 10:10 a.m., green $1,400. Moving back up to that 200. Oh, this is Ninja Trader just hopped on. Yes, this is Ninja Trader. Correct. And I have a fully automated algorithm that trades for me. Well, I have several of them. This is my main chart, but this is my secondary VPS, which is running pink. $1,445 here. Done for the day. Mentorship. Who is this? Greg. Oh my God, look at all of his accounts. He probably, or did he post the same picture twice? Oh, I'm in a trade. What? Oh no, that was down here. That was waves. So this is also in a trade. In NQ, green $575. This is a premium algorithm up top. Premium, $620.
Order filled.
And a lot of my premium members have been running this on micros or running this on minis and then running range on micros, so they can still utilize both, if that makes sense. All right, so that hit the trail. That is out. We are still in on pink, $1,545. This is what I say. When I say quarter four is historically the best quarter of the whole year when it comes to these algos, I'm not lying. I think this was a duplicate. Nice job, Greg. I learned what that it's a thing is always to ignore your garnets. Yeah, for sure, Nicholas. Green, $1,900 on this long. Are y'all still with me? Is everyone still alive? The girl wakes up and writes code in her sleep. Now, I found a new oil last night. And that oil, it doesn't trade much, but it's 100% on the entire year for waves. We have a soybean now. Speaking of, also ZB is in a trade. It's $125 on ZB here. This is ZB on waves. One mini green, $125.
Order submitted.
NQ zones a day is now in a trade. Move this back down here. I can keep an eye on that, and we'll go back to the other VPS.
Target filled.
Target filled already. TP1 on NQ day zones. Hi, Thomas. Thomas is still with me. That's great. $1,950 on one contract. Y'all, that's $2,000 on one contract. One contract of the NASDAQ. This is on NQ Pink, which is a standard algorithm for all members. You just have to take the quiz on Scalper after you've been in the group for a week. You can take the quiz, reach out to Amy. She'll give it to you. $1,980 on this long. $2,000 on this long. Oh, I got the perfect
Target
picture.
filled.
TP number 2 hit on NQ waves. $2,100 on this long. Jen keeps beating me.
Order
Jen.
submitted.
Which one is that, Jen? What's the second one? Oh, Santa. Santa's in a $700 long, too. Jen keeps beating me. She posted this $2,000 1 minute ago. Savage. I'm useless. Thank you, Jen. Congratulations. Thanks. This is pretty normal. This isn't like... Yesterday we had a trade just like this in the afternoon, and it went green 1,300 with one contract, and it ended the trade positive 1,100. So this is pretty standard for the group, which we love. We love for the group. Did it get to 25? Ooh, it got over 25. It's at 25 now, kind of holding, see if it can get higher. It went to 38. Don't I have a level at 38? Yes, I do. Yes, the fuck I do. Do you see that? I just thought about it. I was like, I think I have a level at 38. Yeah. Yeah. Lauren knows how to trade. Look at that level. And that's not, like, I'm not in a short right now, but it's just, like, so cool to see when reactions happen at levels you've talked about hours before. It is off. So, Charlie, the delay is off. Watch, I can show you guys. Stream settings. Hold on. It's off. I've done this before. Maybe I can't. Oh, here. Edit. Customizations. Look. Live chat. Hold on. No. Details. Oh, maybe it's under details. Public. Entertainment. Restrictions none. Not made for kids. Oh, you could do recording date. I think it does already do that. Not location. I know I can't find it, but I don't ever have it on a delay. Like, ever. And it just automatically has some type of a delay. Stream settings. I thought it was under stream settings. Oh, here it is. It is under stream settings. So look, I'll show you this here, because I don't think any of this would affect. So stream settings right here, added delay, none. Do you see this? None. There's no delay on my YouTube, but it just has a delay, which is weird. But there's no added delay. 1,700 on this long. Chris, toughest practice in Zim. 13 of these are PAs. 7 are evals winning. 13 PAs. And then 7 evals. Nice job, Chris. Congrats. Greg, done for the day. These are all of his accounts. Greg's been with me for a while. I can't stop saying how amazing you are and life-changing. Thank you so much, Mike. Dan, it does really well during consolidation. If you want more information, just email us. We have, so range, so this is obviously more of a breakout, but range, we just boxed it out and it works really well. Even if it's consolidating here, we have targets that work really, really well in my eyes. NQ is 2 for 2 on range today. ES is 1 for 1. We have some of the other ones up here that I'm showing. I need to close this out. But yeah, on scalper, like on something like this, yesterday it was a little choppy in the morning and it had a few losses, but then it had a large afternoon win. And then obviously today it's up $2,000. But the other one, which is probably going to replace, is BabyBot still bearish? I don't know. He's at school. Listen, BabyBot is at school. Kenny said that's a real deep V. Kenny loves a deep V. What the fuck was that? Anyway, I thought I heard something like crash. I looked outside. Bro, I'm not sure how long you tried to when I told you to respond 2 minutes later. Wait, 5 minutes later. I sent this at 10:36, and YouTube said it's Yeah. So I got your message. What? Now it's 10:42. I don't know. So again, this is the trail stop that will follow it up throughout the whole trade, and then when it comes back, if it comes back and this changes to red, it will exit the trade. It doesn't need the stop loss to be moved up. The stop loss is just a break-even offset at this point, essentially, because the trail itself will do the rest. This is the one that hit TP1 and TP2 on NQ zones. I don't think we had any chop trades today. All right, it's 10:44. I kind of went a little longer today, but it was fun. I enjoy it. Again, I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 on YouTube and TikTok. If you want to go watch some of my previous streams, they're all on YouTube under the live section. If you go to just the general YouTube, you won't see them. You have to go to live, L-I-V-E. My mom never lets me forget it. When I was 7, I walked in the kitchen, opened a door, and started peeing it. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know why the delay is on there, but I don't want it to be on there.
Order submitted.
NQ range is in another trade. Oh no, or is this later? Oh, later's in a trade. Let's go, let's go. We'll see this together. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Target filled. Order submitted.
This one is bold waves or something else. This one that's in here isn't mine. All right, so only 2 trades today on my live account. ES early and NQ later. Also, we're green $165, $156 on the ZB, which is the 30-year Treasury bond on Waves. Very nice. That would be nice, Foxy. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for joining. I go live every day. Jen will be live this afternoon, either 1 o'clock or 4 o'clock. We're trying something different on TikTok. So, excuse me, make sure you follow all of our TikTok accounts and put the bell icon on so you can get notified when we go live. And we'll see you then. 1 p.m. And Jen will be live at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, have a great day.